Guys, how's it going? This is Integrity First Roofing. We are currently at 988 Ashton Park, located in Drive, Lawrenceville, Georgia, guys. As y'all can see right there, we have quite a missing shingles damage going throughout the entire home, guys. As y'all see right here, wind after wind damage going all around, guys. As we go down here, pretty much the same process going all around. As y'all can see up there, down here, guys, we'll go ahead and do a repair test video. We'll use this one. It's not to go too down. These are next to the bridge. As you can see, we go right, left, no significant damages. Here we're gonna go ahead, try to set you guys up. See how that goes. Apologize for the movement. Oh, guys, luckily it's right here. See right there, I showed the before, the middle.